just finally told one of my family members the truth and how I feel, and I don't think I've enjoyed a sunset like this ever. Feeling this free, feeling this authentic to myself. It's really amazing, you know, how you treat yourself is always going to reflect on the outside. No matter who you have a relationship with, remember that. Don't let anybody try to manipulate how you see yourself. Their actions will tell you everything that you need to know. Until then, just trust. Trust in yourself. Much love.